guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. If this is your first time here, if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm a New York City freelance makeup artist and I'm also a lover of fashion. So if you're interested in content surrounding beauty and fashion, make sure that you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I post and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some really great ways for you to transition your summer wardrobe into fall. I'll be sharing some ways that I will be doing it by using some fall items that I had from last season, maybe some items that I just purchased for summer and now summer is over and I'm just, not tired of wearing them yet. So I just want to share some ways that you can really get the most out of your wardrobe and really play around with the items that you already have, maybe inspire you to purchase really great selective pieces that you can really use in multiple ways and get the most bang out of your buck. I'm really excited for this video. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season of all. Anyone who knows me personally knows that I really do come alive in the fall. I just don't like very hot weather or very cold weather. So winter and summer are not my favorite seasons. So trust me, this is going to be one of many fall videos I'll be creating on my channel. So if you're interested in videos like this and you enjoy it, make sure you keep watching and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first tip that I have for transitioning your summer wardrobe into fall is to add a satin skirt with whatever top that you enjoyed wearing during the summertime. This is the padded shoulder top that I bought from House of Chic LA. I featured it in a video and I will link that video down below. But I love this top. Padded tops are very trendy. As you guys can see, I'm now wearing a white version of a similar top. It doesn't have padded shoulders. Very similar though from H&M. I will link it down below. But also wearing it with a pair of booties makes it a more fall appropriate outfit. So the next tip is also a very obvious tip, but to make your summer wardrobe a little bit more fall appropriate, swap out your favorite denim shorts for a pair of denim jeans. These are light wash, so you can also wear these jeans in either the summer or spring. Is a little bit more appropriate for that. But when you swap out denim shorts for jeans, it just makes it a little bit more fall appropriate. I'm still giving summer vibes because I'm wearing open toe shoes and a short sleeves top. But if you wanted, you can throw a blazer over that. I'm also wearing a tank top in this clip, but I threw on a blazer that makes it a little bit more fall appropriate, also with a brown dumpling bag, totally transforming my summer pieces into fall in this look. The next look I'm showing you guys is the importance of having a dark wash denim. Dark wash denim is probably the easiest way for you to transition some of your summer pieces into fall, and of course throwing a trench coat over it definitely does that as well. This next look is one of my personal favorites. I featured this dress in a previous video which I would link below. This dress is why I think it's so important to buy dresses with sleeves in the summertime because they're so easy to transition into fall. I'm just pairing them with a pair of snakeskin booties. Love these booties. I bought them last year, but I linked similar ones down below. I'm actually going to now pair it with a dumpling bag. This is the brown dumpling bag. I got this from Target. I will also link that down below. I can throw on a leather jacket over top of this, a blazer. Like, the opportunities are endless with a dress like this. It's so versatile. In this next look, I actually changed my shoes and I'm pairing it with a pair of chunky boots. These are Doc Martens. These boots are either called the Jadons or the Jadons, but I will link them down below as well as some other similar options. I'm pairing it with one of my favorite summertime accessories, my yellow Telfar bag. This is the small shopping bag. Until I am able to get my hands on another one of them, I'll be wearing that one. But if you're someone who doesn't really feel comfortable with wearing pops of colors in their accessories, I'm going to show you guys how this outfit would look if I just use black accessories. I'm pairing this now with my Dior saddle bag, and as you guys can see, it totally just makes the outfit more fall inspired. So just playing around with some warmer accessories is the best way for you to transition some of your summer pieces and making them more fall appropriate. And in this next look, you guys are going to see me do another black and white look. I kept all my Doc Martens, but I paired it with one of my favorite black dresses that I purchased from H&M. This dress was a steal. It was like $15. Although it's not still available, I will be linking similar items for you guys to check out. But the puffy sleeve mini dress is on trend. You can find it almost anywhere. And I'm pairing it with one of my favorite summertime accessories is my white pearl bag. I love this bag. I will link it down below and featured it in my summertime favorites. Every time I wear this bag, I get tons of compliments. This bag is available in tons of different colors. So if you want a color that's more fall appropriate, like a black or a brown, or even a pop of color, it will all be linked down below. I got it from Amazon for such a great price. But these are all the looks that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.